Hello guys, we are out at Thomas and Run at the Mineral Springs.
Ooh.
Don't be suspicious. Don't be suspicious. Actually, I just started filming. This would be a nice like nature walk. Just like walk and then watch a video with just
Serial
this.
killers? What?
It's exciting. Wow, it is. How is there snow?
Is it snow though? I don't think that's snow.
How could it be? Somebody rolled it there. Whatever it is. Ew, it's so rolled up.
I don't think it's snow.
Yeah, it is.
Is it?
Yeah, somebody probably made a snowman.
Oh, it's snow.
There's something inside!
What? Oh, it smells like sewage.
Does it? It's okay.
I had a cuter hoodie on.
Tony's hoodie got dirty. A bulldog came up and bulldozed him.
Not kidding. I had a beautiful white hoodie on.
It was a very nice dog, but very dirty paws.
They wouldn't have been dirty if someone's brother over here wasn't washing his car, Jojo.
Mud kind of wet out, so.
You live and you learn. I do not regret a minute of it. I love that dog.
We're gonna go find another area to explore. Somewhere else where we maybe don't have to get out on foot.
It's 46 degrees.
Nice. We are driving the hills of West Virginia.
Oh, I like that.
That's nice. Hillcrest. Ready?
What?
What do you think of this house, guys?
I love this house. It has so much potential.
Zero potential.
New garage door, take off that piece, done. New siding, looks brand new. Power wash the house, put some cute furniture on the front. This house has so much potential. Oh, what a damn day.
It was an attack on my life.
It
just
was an
now.
attack on your life.
Wow.
Making fun of me.
You know what? Go ahead. There it is. It's waiting for you. Here we go.
No! I don't want it that bad. I think it's haunted.
Oh. Here it is. I'll drop you off. Got like a little sex shack back here.
That's
What
a chicken.
the fuck is that? Sex shack. Sex shack.
I still like it.
Needs torn down. It looks like it had a fireplace and now it's gone. I don't know what the back's going on. It's got plastic on it.
That's
kind of ickety dickety.
It's so cute. Ask your YouTuber. So great.
I don't know, guys. Leave a comment below. What can you do with this? What can we do? Oh, how about the tires? Paint them white and pee in them.
Attack on my neighborhood. Wow. I'm sorry.
Look at that thing back there. It's cool looking. Another sex shed.
Can I kiss?
I don't know. All right, guys. So we just found this house, and it definitely looks like the other house. And this one's gorgeous. So I guess Tony was right.
I'm always right.
It's just hard for me to not see things right away.
All I see is potential whenever I look at things.
And what am I, Dr. Doom?
No, because you're a very upbeat and positive person. You give a very nice energy.
I feel like I see more like, oh, there's gonna be a lot of money here. This is gonna be a lot of work.
Okay, so you put the work in, you fall in love with it, you stay there forever. Or until we move.
For that. But that house looks just like that other house.
I know. Gorgeous.
I could definitely see it happening.
You want me to drive? While you vlog? It's whatever. We like to go.
Guys, we just hit up the brand new Taco Bell here in Chester. This place is lit. New freeze. Oh my god.
Oh, wow, that already made my
Tongue is already red.
one drink.
I'm gonna go this way and then we'll come. I don't know. We're all up and down. I don't know where to go. We're all up and down here. There's a dinner box at McDonald's. How does that happen?
True love.
Hey everyone, thanks for watching this video. Give it a like and let us know where you want us to explore next. And as always, stay icy.
Okay, delete that out.